What's going on? Another beautiful morning. We're changing fields today, getting the dryer going. The usual corn harvest shuffle. I think we're gonna move everything home tonight. We're supposed to get some rain this evening, so we're not gonna leave everything sit out in the rain. Might not be working all weekend because of the rain, so we'll get everything home, tucked in the barn. You'll see, just hang in there. Dad's back, dryer's running. We're gonna go to the field, get the combine, get it staged up at the next field, shell a little bit so we can pull it off the road and start moving equipment. Here we go, on to the next one. Gonna go to a little grass lot by Dad's house to put the head on. And we got maybe a quarter mile or less drive up to the field. I think most of the fields now we can get to, leaving the head on the machine, which is nice. We don't have to keep taking it off and moving it. We can just leave it on. Most of it's back roads. Slide right on through the roundabout this morning. Not much traffic. Choose to move it this time of day, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning. There's very little traffic around here. Any earlier, there's a lot of school traffic, and any later, it's a lot of coming home from work in the night traffic, and it's easier moving the daylight than at nighttime. I guess if we had to move at night, we do. If it's raining or something, storm's coming, we'll move at night. But majority of the time, we try to keep it during the day. Much safer this way. As you can tell, she's thick. She takes up a lot of the road. It's like a fat guy in a little coat. Here's what we deal with quite a bit. People like this, just impatient. We're going 2 miles down the road. These people just drive like this. It's just crazy. You wouldn't believe what people do to get around a machine. They'll go in the ditch, they'll go in the gravel, then they're flicking us off and cussing us and honking and throwing hands. And all this township talks about is being rural township and rural this and farmers, and we love farmers, but they sure have a funny way of showing how much they love farmers. It's just crazy. It's getting to where it's tough to travel on the roads anymore. I don't know what they expect us to do. If we could get there magically somehow without traffic, we would, but we can't. It's just kind of how it works. It's not a choice thing, it's a safety thing. We take up a lot of the road, we got flashing lights, we got a chase truck here. They still drive like idiots. Some people's kids, I tell you what. Hooking up. There we go. Didn't get it first try this time. Thought he was going to be a show off again. Here's what it looks like diving into a field for the first time here. Quite the mess. I made it to the field with a grain cart. Had to fight the Michigan Willis Dragway over here in Michigan. It's crazy. These guys just fly down this road. It's fresh pavement and nice, but does it really need to go that fast? I don't understand it. I guess I'm getting old. I like to go slow. Dad's got this opened up here. Enough to pull in with the semis, turn around and stage them. Be off to the races. I think there's 42 acres or something in here. There's 28 and a half and 11 and a half. So yeah, about 40 acres. We should be able to knock most of this out today, hopefully, before the rain gets here. I hate to have to come back, but that's the way it goes. You can't control Mother Nature. Dryer's on and running good. Stabilization's complete. Everything looks good over there. The Sukup Rip really made me feel more comfortable with how I'm running it, and then I was pushing too many buttons, basically. I was over inputting the dryer, but we got her set up now. We're good. Time to head to the field and shell this coal. Getting this field opened up. Dad said it's reading 19 to 20 moisture. It's about the same as the last field. The dryer settings won't have to change. That's good news. Less stress on me to have to figure out more crap right now. First unload of the day. Corn's running about 20. She should run good through the dryer. We're gonna fill this truck, take it home, get some lunch, come back with both trucks. We'll get out of the tractor here for a minute and investigate what's going on behind the combine. Try to make some adjustments in every field, because every field's different. Usually we were set it and forget it and ran at the same settings all year. Now we're trying to get Dad on the page of, you know, we gotta adjust it all the time. I mean, it takes a little effort, but we gotta do this. So let's see here. Just take this spot here. Oh yeah, see, there's quite a few kernels in there. This one's cracked. A few cracked ones. Maybe we got her too tight. Cobs are kind of gummy though. They're not really wanting to snap. You can see that, how it's just bending. Huh. Make some more adjustments. I just got back from dumping the truck. Dad's been dumping on the grain cart. It's definitely different with just two of us. When Uncle was still here working with us before he retired, it was a lot smoother with three of us going, because one of us ran the grain cart, one ran the trucks and the dryer, and the other ran the combine. And now it's just two of us. It's a little slower. We're learning a new dryer and learning a new system, so it's a little bit different than what we're used to. But it's no reason to be worried or freaking out. We used to get 40 acres a day. We'll get there. Just gotta figure out the logistics of it. Just gotta figure it out. Trying to stay cool, calm, and collected. No need to being upset. It ain't gonna help nobody. progress report. Dryer's chugging right along. Putting out 550 bushels per hour. Wet tank's right in there, about a ring and a half. This bin's all the way up to the top ring, maybe a half a ring above the top ring. And the back bin here's about 3 rings up, 3.5. So we're transferring some corn from this bin to the back bin. That way we got space in this bin. Once these bins get full, we'll transfer to the big bin over here. Our cross auger is only a 4-inch, so it has trouble keeping up with this new dryer. The dryer can put out a lot more corn than that cross auger can move. So it's just up and down, figuring it out. I know I keep saying that, but that's how this fall's going. Learning new equipment and new processes. It's the same thing every day, like Groundhog Day. If you've ever seen that movie, it's what it's like. Get up and handle the same problem every day. But we're getting better at it. That's all that matters. I'm learning, I'm getting better. But we're dumping. I think we're about to like 15 to 18 acre shell. That leaves us about 22, 24 to go. We should get that done, no problem. Dad's kind of stressing that we're not going to get it done before the rain tonight. I got faith. We'll be all right. We can at least get it on wheels. The wet tank and the 2 trucks should hold what's left there. I hope. If my math's right, which usually it is. Yeah, we switched it up this time, loaded both trucks, take them both home. Figured this will get the dryer stuffed pretty full, the wet tank stuffed full for the dryer for a little while. He's buy us some time to maybe finish this before the dryer's gonna need more wet corn. We'll see how this works out. Looks like we'll be getting some nighttime shots tonight. Lights will be coming on pretty soon. The sun's setting over there. Sure is a pretty evening here in Michigan. Nice fall night. I tell you, I'd rather be in the blind right now looking for a Big 10 point, but we got work to do. Get this field done tonight before the rain comes. Tuck everything in the barn. The lights on for the first time this season during harvest. I guess it's time to turn my lights on too. I only run them when I'm going across the field and gonna get dumping in the truck and things like that, you know, traveling. I don't run them when I'm next to Dad because it blinds him, shining all that light there back in his face while he's trying to drive the combine. I usually keep mine off as much as I possibly can. Man, it's dark in here, you can't even see me. Still going. Dark out. We're tired. We're hungry. No dinner yet. But we got 3 rounds left. The grain cart's it's full basically. So we got to both trucks, take both trucks back. It's a good problem to have. It's yielding way better than I anticipated it was gonna. We're dumping in the dark. How fun. There we go. Got 42.5 acres out of this field today. It's all done. Dump this a little bit on the truck. We'll head home and put them in the barn. It's supposed to get some rain in the morning. Tuck everything away. Keep it nice and clean. Got a lot more bushels off this field than I thought I was gonna. I think we averaged 176 or something, Dad said. So I'll take that. I was expecting much worse because it was really droughty this year. Hey. Take the wins when you get them, guys. Take the wins when you get them. Well, one piece of machinery back in the barn. Dad should be coming with the combine any second now. We'll tuck that in the barn and we'll go get the semi trucks. Not sure what we're gonna do with them, but we're gonna go get them too. Figured he'd already be here by now, but he's not. We'll go check the dryer while we wait for him. Looking good over here. Wow, do I feel good about that. That dryer ran all day. Kept the moisture percentage coming out of it I wanted it to. Very happy. Cut it around a little bit. She's close. She's going in. She's good. We're going in. All right. Turn a little bit. Here we go. We're in. All right. Made it home. Safe and sound. Well, I just shut the dryer down for the night. I'm pretty hungry. We didn't have dinner. Worked right through it. Got everything tucked away. The semis are home. We got some noise coming out of the gearbox on the auger. So we're gonna take that apart tomorrow. Dump the trucks first and then take that apart. See if we can't figure out if it just needs oil or what's going on with it. But that'd be the end of my video for today, guys. Thanks for following along today. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe button. Help me out a little bit. Otherwise, I'll check you later.